In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Wix Forms. Let's start right inside your Wix Studio site. Head to wix.com and log in. Then from your site's dashboard, open the website you built with Wix Studio and click Edit Site. Once the editor loads, add a new section where you want the form to live by selecting Add, then Section, and choosing a blank section. Give it a clean, readable background. White works great, or use a solid brand color with enough contrast for accessibility. Now we'll create a custom form. On the left menu, click Add Elements. In the search bar, type Forms, open Contact and Forms, and select Create New Form. The Wix Forms dashboard will open in a moment, which is where we'll design and configure everything. On the form canvas, add your core fields, first name, last name, and email. Click each field to adjust the label so it's clear. Add a helpful placeholder like enter your first name, and if you want, a short description for extra guidance. Mark these three fields as required to ensure you collect essential details. You can extend the form with address as a short text or paragraph field, a phone or ID field for additional contact or verification, and even a file upload if you accept documents or images. To capture preferences or permissions, add a multiple choice or single choice field. Rename it to something clear, such as, "Are you able to communicate via email?" and add yes and no options. Make it required so you get a definitive answer. If you need consent, include a checkbox like I agree to terms and conditions, and consider a drop-down for longer option lists to keep the form tidy. Give your form context with a header and a short description. From layout elements, drag a header onto the form and update the text to subscription form or contact us. Add a text element below to explain the purpose so visitors know exactly what to expect. Open settings to fine-tune behavior. Update the submit button text. Choose where submissions are sent via email notifications, and set a confirmation message or a redirect URL after submission. If you plan to charge for submissions, add a payment field, link it to a product or donation, and connect a payment method like Stripe or PayPal in your site settings. Click Save in the Forms dashboard, return to the Wix Studio editor, and in your blank section, choose Add Elements, then Contact and Forms, then Add Existing Form. Pick your new form and position it neatly. Optionally, create a dedicated page by adding a new standard page, naming it, placing your existing form there, and styling it with a hero, heading, and brief description. Finally, click Preview to test, fill it out, submit, and confirm the submission arrives or appears in your forms list. When everything looks good, hit Publish. That's how you create a custom form in Wix Studio. By adding a section, building a tailored form with required fields, choices, and optional payments, and placing it on a page or page menu item, you can collect leads, subscriptions, or contact info cleanly and securely. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the content. See you in the next one.